Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sharma from the Department of Mathematics, Aligarh Muslim University, and he will be talking about set order relations and set valued optimization. Yeah, please continue.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, thank you very much for the organizers for organizing such a nice conference and giving me opportunity to present my work. Basically, my talk is based on the optimization problems with set valued maps and the techniques to solve optimization problems based on the comparisons of the values of the objective function, which uses the set order relations. So before starting my talk, first I will recall some basic notions which will used throughout the presentation. By Py, we denote the collection of all non-empty subset of Y, and for any two non-empty subset A and B of the topological vector space Y, the sum of A and B is defined as the collection of all sum of elements of set A and elements of set B. In the given figure, we can see that the green picture represents the set A and the red picture represents the set B. And we can see that the teal colored figure represents the set A plus B. Further, a subset C of a vector space Y is said to be a cone if for all elements of C and non-negative lambda, we have lambda Y is in C. Basically, the lambda Y is the ray originating from the origin. And every ray originating from the origin will be in the C. So we will say that C will be a cone. In the figure, we can see that the cyan colored figure represents the cone C, and the cone C is said to be a convex cone if for all elements x and y of C and all non-negative scalars lambda and mu, lambda x plus mu y is in C. That is, the C should be convex and a cone. Then we will say that C is a convex cone. And the cone is said to be pointed if for any non-zero vector x is in C, then we have the negative of that vector should not be in C. That is, intersection of the cone C with its negative should have only 0 element. The cyan colored figure also represents that this cone is pointed, because if we took the negative of this cone, then the intersection of this cone C and its negative will have only 0 elements in common. And every convex cone always induces a pre-order on Y in such a way that X is related to Y by the ordering induced by a convex cone if and only if the difference of Y and X should be in C for every element of X and Y in Y. And the cone C is said to be, if the cone C is pointed, then this ordering will be a partial ordering on Y, and this play a crucial role to studying the vector optimization and also in set optimization. Now we are ready to formulate the set valued optimization problem. For a set valued map defined on a non-empty subset of a real vector space to a real topological vector space with non-empty values, the optimization problem with set valued maps is to minimize the objective function f over the feasible set S. Now the important question is that what is the meaning of the minimum in the formulation of set valued optimization problem? Note that objective function is a set valued. So how will we define the minimum in sense of sets? That is, how will we compare two sets? So before defining the meaning of this minimum, we consider an application uh, of scalar optimization problem, vector valued optimization problem, and set optimization problem, because set valued map contains the single valued maps and scalar valued map, vector valued maps. So basically set valued optimization is a generalization of scalar valued optimization problem and vector valued optimization problem. The detailed studies on vector optimization and set valued optimization can be found in the books uh, uh, given on the screen. So now let us distinguish the case of scalar optimization problem, vector optimization problem, and set optimization problem. Suppose that we are interested in finding out the fastest bowler from a set of cricket players. Then this is the case of scalar optimization problem, where the objective function gives the speed of a player. Basically, if we want to find the fastest bowler, then we have to we have to find the maximum. We will choose a person who has the maximum speed. So this case is of the maximization problem. Further, suppose we want to find a bowler from a set of cricket player in such a way that the bowler has several qualities, namely speed, stamina, in-swing, out-swing, and so on. Then we can see that a player is a vector whose coordinate are speed, in-swing, out-swing, stamina, and so on. So the value of the objective function is a vector. So this will be the case of vector optimization problem. Now, if we consider the objective function in such a way that the values of the objective functions are teams, and assume that teams is a set of players and each player is a vector whose coordinate consist of one's ability, stamina, speed, in-swing, out-swing, popularity, and many other properties. Then the uh, problem of finding a good team from a set of teams or from a cricket league is a uh, problem of is can be modeled in a set valued optimization problems. Further, there are two types of optimal solutions of set valued optimization problem. First is the vector approach. In vector approach, one directly generalize the concepts known from vector optimization to set optimization. Basically, in vector approach, solution concept depends on the only one element of the image set f of s. And there is another approach which is introduced by Kuroiwa in 1997 and play very crucial role to study set optimization problem. And this approach is based on the comparison among the values of the objective function, which is set valued map. Now, to define the meaning of the minimum, as said in the formulation of the set valued optimization problem, we need some kind of set order relation or some technique to compare two sets. So in 1997, Kuroiwa give many kinds of set order relations, but we mention here two types of set order relation because of the time. So we will say that A is related to B by lower setless order relation if and only if B is a subset of A plus C, where A plus C is a cone generated by the set A. The meaning of the right hand side uh, inequality is containment is that for every B in B, there exists A in A such that A is related to B by the vector ordering induced by a cone C. And A is said to be related to B by upper set less order relation if and only if A is a subset of B minus C. The meaning of the right, there exists a B in B such that A is related to B by the ordering induced by a convex cone C. In the left hand side figure, we can see that the orange colored figure represents the set A and the red colored figure represents set B. And if we C is the positive orthant in R square, then B can see that B is a subset of A plus C. And similarly, in the right hand side figure, we can see that A is a subset of B minus C. So in the left hand side figure, A and B are related by the lower set less order relation, and in the figure right hand side figure, A and B are related by the upper set less order relation. It is important to note that lower set less order relation and upper set less order relation are pre-order, that is reflexive and transitive order relation, but they are not partial order relation. Now we can define the solution concept of set optimization problem. That is, we can define the meaning of the minimum in the formulation of the optimization problem with set valued objective function. So first definition is based on the vector approach. So any element of the set S is said to be a minimal solution of the set valued optimization problem if P can find any element y bar in the image set of x bar such that y bar is a minimal element of the image set f of S. That is, intersection of the image set f of S with the negative of the cone originating from the y bar is contained only single elements, and the set of minimal elements of the problem is denoted by minimal of f of S. It is important to note that we can see that in this definition the minimal solution depends only on one element y bar of the image set of x bar. Now consider the second definition corresponding to the set order relation. An element x bar in S is said to be alpha minimal solution of the set optimization problem with respect to the set order relation if and only if fx is related to fx bar by some kind of set order relation for some element x in S, then this gives f of x bar is also related to f of x by some kind of set order relations. So now here we can see that we are comparing images not based on any particular element of the image set of x and x bar. Consider a simple example to see the difference in both of the definition. If we consider a set S which contains the three elements 0, 1 and 2, and consider the image of the f set valued f, f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2, and consider the cone is the positive orthant in R, then we can see that x bar equals to 2 is a minimal solution of the set valued optimization problem by vector approach, that is by the definition 1. But we can see that image of f0 is better than image of f at 1 and image of f at 2. That is, f0 is related to lower set less order relations by f1 and f2. So we can see that in vector approach the 2 is a minimal solution, but according to the set approach 0 is the minimal solution. So the optimal solution considered by the set approach is better than the solution concept considered by the vector approach. Now consider two examples which shows that the solution sets obtained by vector approach and the set approach are both different. If we consider
hello Pradeep,
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have enough time actually. You are out of time.
Okay.
So maybe you can speak in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So in both of the example, we can see that the solution of set valued optimization problem by vector approach is empty, but by upper set less order relation is -1. And in the example second, we can see that solution set with vector approach is semi-closed interval 0, 1, and the solution set
yeah.
with upper set lesser order relation is singleton. And then we can say that both solution concept by both approach are different. Now we give the
Yeah,
solution
I think we should. Hi.
Yeah,
Pradeep, I'm sorry. Yeah,
yeah.
I think we are out of time. Basically, I should continue with next speaker because it's already 10 minutes. You spoke already 10 minutes. So and it's already
Okay.
15 minutes. So
Okay, I am
yeah,
sorry
I should.
for
Yeah,
that.
no problem.
Oh,
And we don't have time to take the questions. So maybe we can continue with our next speaker.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you
As
so
you
much.
wish.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.